So quick little look at XRP then on the daily time frame. As we can see in this local area, as I said in yesterday's video, pretty much exactly what happened is I said we'd come up and test that 100 moving average. We actually did that, tapped it and got a rejection here, as you can see, for XRP. Probably forming this W double bottom pattern, as you can see here. Most likely the next target back up to that 61.5 cent level at the zero. Was that the 0.50? The 0.50 Fibonacci here, as you can see. Obviously lots of chop recently, but still holding that support that we've been holding for ever since we came down to the low of that 2020 crash for COVID. You can see here right now XRP just still coiling in this motion on the macro, waiting for Bitcoin to sort its shit out. I do think with the case being resolved this year, and with Bitcoin most likely going into a bull market now, more all-time highs, etc., we're going to see XRP heading to the upside. And as I said, if we do start to break out of some of these resistances, this recent resistance of the previous bear market here, up to around 90 cents to that 618, and then obviously if we start breaking out of that macro trend line resistance anywhere up to around $1.50 here for a back test, we're probably going to start seeing some really nice price action for XRP. Overall, things looking completely fine, just waiting and seeing what's going to happen next.